Hello, so this is the first of two videos that I'll be doing that explain what I normally go through on the first lesson. So the first video, this one, will go through a quick classical piece just to get you moving the fingers and playing something. The second video is more of an accurate representation of how I write everything down. So during this lockdown period, it would be a good idea to get to grips with that. But in this first video, we're just going to do a quick classical piece. So the first step that we're going to go through is the picking pattern in the right hand. So with the right hand, we're going to designate this the thumb, the first finger, second finger, and third finger. So again, thumb, first, second, and third. So I'm going to put a diagram up while I'm speaking now, but with the thumb and the third, we're going to hit the thickest string and the thinnest string together. So the thumb and third, thickest and thinnest string together. Okay? After that, the second finger is going to pluck the fifth string down, or the next one up from what the third finger just plucked. And then after that, our first finger is going to pluck the fourth string down. Okay, one more time. So the thumb and third is going to pluck the thickest and thinnest string, like this. After that, the second finger is going to pluck the fifth string down. And then after that, the first finger is going to pluck the fourth string down. Now, I'm going to play it one time. Well, I'm going to play it maybe 4 times through. But after this, after I've played it, spend 5 to 15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes, just going round it and seeing if you can build up a little bit of speed. So here we go. This is 4 times round. Don't put any pressure on yourself. Just go through it and try and build a little bit of speed and confidence. You'll feel it in your hands once the confidence starts coming. Okay, so the next part after that is all of these numbers. Now, this is a very shorthand way of writing it, but all them numbers represent frets. So this is your first fret, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. All of these Y's here are your frets. So if this is your first fret, second fret. Now, when it says 7, 7, 7, 7, 5, 3, 3, 2, all of them are fret numbers on the thinnest string. So the first number is a 7. So we've got to find a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's our 7th fret. Now, what we've got to do is place a finger, doesn't matter which finger at this point, just on the thinnest string, but just behind that 7th fret. Now, you don't want to press it down to the point that you're trying to bend the string and touch the wood. It's just got to make contact with the fret wire. And then for each one of them numbers, we're going to do one of the picking patterns we've just done. So for the first 7, we're going to find the 7th, which we've done. And then now we're going to play a picking pattern that we've just done. Thumb and third, second and first. Okay, now we've got another 7. So we're going to do that again because we're still on the 7th fret. Now we've got another 7. So we do the picking pattern again. Now we're going to do another 7. So now we've done 4 7s. We've got to now find the 5. So count them up if necessary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any finger, press down the thinnest string just behind the 5th fret and do a picking pattern. Now we've got a 3. Find the 3, do a picking pattern. Another 3. Now a 2, move to the 2, do a picking pattern. Now a 0. A 0 is just open. no frets. Another 0, another 3, another 7, and 4 12s. Okay, so what that's going to do, even though it's a lovely, nice little theme of a piece, it's going to learn you all the frets up the fretboard, and it's going to get you moving up and down and learning what all these dots mean, because all these dots are just reference markers to what fret you're actually on. The slight variance on different guitars, but generally the double dots is the 12th fret and the first dot is the 3rd. So just practice that, going up and down that. If you get used to that, you get like something that you could really find useful is on this 3rd diagram. So the 3rd diagram should be the same diagram that's already been up, but with circles. So what I want you to do with that is look up at the diagram, remember 4 numbers, and then try and play the 4 numbers. So we're going to look up, see 4 7s, and then play the 4 7s. Now look up, see that it's 5 3 3 2, and then try and play that. Then we look up, see the next 4 numbers, 0 0 3 7. Next 4 numbers, 4 12s. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to play that all the way through just once so you can hear what you're trying to do. I'm probably going to play it a little bit faster than necessary just so you can hear it, but don't put any pressure on yourself. Just try and get that. Yeah, no pressure. Just go around every day. All you need to do is maybe 15 minutes tops, just as you're starting out. So let's go through it. So